Good morning, Jake.
Morning, Nora. You're up early today.
Yes, I woke up at 7. I want to make breakfast.
That's nice. What are you making today?
I'm thinking about making eggs and toast, maybe some fruit too.
Sounds great. Do you need help?
Yes, please. Can you take out the bread from the fridge?
Sure. Here it is. White or brown bread?
Let's use brown bread today. It's healthier.
Okay. I'll put 2 slices in the toaster.
Thank you. I'll get the eggs,
Are you going to fry or boil them?
fry them. I like fried eggs in the morning.
Me too. Do you want me to crack the eggs?
No, it's okay. I'll do it. You can wash the apples, please.
Sure thing.
These apples look fresh. Where did you buy them?
From the market near our house. They're sweet and crunchy.
Nice. Do you want to cut them?
Yes, after I finish the eggs.
The toast is ready.
Great. Can you spread some butter on it?
Of course. Do you want jam too?
Yes, please. I love strawberry jam.
Me too. It smells so good.
Breakfast is almost ready.
What do you want to drink? Tea or coffee?
I'll take coffee. You?
Tea for me, please.
Everything looks delicious.
Everything looks delicious.
Yes, I like having breakfast together.
It makes the morning happy, right?
Definitely. Eating together feels warm.
After breakfast, I'll wash the dishes.
I can help. I'll dry them.
Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome.
The eggs were good today.
Yes, you cooked them perfectly.
I think next time I'll add some vegetables.
Like tomatoes or onions?
Yes, that will make it colorful.
Do we have enough eggs for tomorrow?
Maybe not. We have only 2 left.
Then we should buy some later.
Okay, let's make a shopping list.
Good idea. What do we need?
Eggs, milk, butter, and bread.
Don't forget fruit.
Right, apples and bananas.
All done. I'll keep the list on the fridge.
Perfect. Let's make something simple, maybe pasta?
Yes, I love pasta.
Great. Can you get the pot and fill it with water?
Sure. How much water do we need?
About half full. That's enough to boil the pasta.
Okay, water's ready.
Good. Now put it on the stove.
Done. Should I turn on the heat?
Yes, medium heat.
What are you cutting?
I'm chopping vegetables for the sauce.
Can I help?
Sure, you can cut the onions.
Oh no, onions make me cry.
It's okay. Just be careful.
I'll try. Do we need garlic too?
Yes, 2 cloves.
Done. What next?
I'll fry them in olive oil.
It smells so good already.
Thanks. Now I'll add the tomatoes and salt.
Should I stir it?
Yes, gently.
The water is boiling. Should I add the pasta?
Yes, go ahead.
How long do we cook it?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll set the timer.
Perfect. While it cooks, let's clean the counter.
Good idea. A clean kitchen feels nice.
Yes, always clean while cooking.
The timer beeped.
Great. Let's check the pasta.
It's soft now.
Perfect. Drain the water, please.
Got it.
Now mix it with the sauce.
Wow. It looks amazing.
Yes, and it's healthy too.
Can we add cheese?
Of course. Cheese makes everything better.
I agree.
How is it?
Delicious. You're a great cook.
Thank you, Jake. You helped too.
Next time, I want to try cooking.
Sure. What do you want to make?
Maybe soup or fried rice.
That sounds nice. I'll teach you.
Deal. After lunch, I'll do the dishes.
Really? That's kind of you.
You cooked, so I'll clean. Fair deal.
Okay.
I like cooking together. It's fun.
Yes, and we learn new things.
We should try baking next time.
Ooh, maybe cookies or cake?
Yum. Let's plan that for tomorrow.
It's dinner time again. What's the plan tonight?
Let's make soup and a salad. Something light.
Good idea. It's a bit cold outside. Soup sounds perfect.
Yes. Can you get the carrots and potatoes?
Sure. Here they are.
Thanks. I'll peel them.
I'll wash the lettuce for the salad.
Perfect teamwork.
Do you want some bread with soup?
Yes. Toasted bread. It's tasty with soup.
I'll do that.
How many carrots do we need?
2 are enough.
Okay. Do we add onions too?
Yes, just 1. It gives flavor.
What about seasoning?
Salt, pepper, and a little bit of chicken stock.
Got it.
We'll let it boil for 20 minutes.
Okay. In the meantime, I'll make the salad.
What's in the salad?
Lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and a bit of lemon juice.
That sounds fresh.
Do you want olive oil on it?
Yes, just a spoon. The soup is ready.
Great! Let's taste it.
Warm and delicious.
I love homemade soup.
Let's set the table.
I'll get the bowls and spoons.
And I'll bring the salad.
The soup tastes perfect.
Thank you. The salad is fresh too.
We did a great job.
I like quiet dinners like this.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
After dinner, let's clean the kitchen.
Sure. I'll wash the dishes.
And I'll wipe the table.
You know, cooking every day makes me happy.
Really?
Yes. It's relaxing and fun.
I agree. The kitchen is my favorite place in the house.
Mine too. We talk, we cook, we eat. Everything happens here.
True. The kitchen is the heart of the home.
So, what should we cook tomorrow?
Maybe pancakes for breakfast?
Yum! I can't wait.
Then good night, Chef Jake.
Good night, Chef Nora.
Good morning, Jake. Happy Saturday.
Morning, Nora. Happy Saturday to you too. What's the plan for today?
I want to bake a cake. It's been a long time since we baked together.
Ooh, that sounds great. What kind of cake?
A chocolate cake. It's simple but delicious.
Perfect. I love chocolate. Let's do it.
Okay, let's check if we have everything.
Sure. What do we need?
Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, butter, and milk.
We have flour and sugar. Here they are.
Great! What about cocoa powder?
Yes. 1 small pack.
Nice! And the butter?
There's half a stick left in the fridge.
That should be enough. And eggs?
2 eggs left.
Perfect! We can start.
Do we need a bowl?
Yes, a big one for mixing. Can you bring it from the shelf?
Sure. Here it is.
Okay, first step, add flour and cocoa powder.
How much flour do we need?
2 cups of flour and half a cup of cocoa powder.
Got it.
Great job! Now add sugar, 1 cup.
Done. What's next?
Melt the butter in the microwave.
Okay, just a minute.
Pour it in slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now crack the eggs.
2 eggs, right?
Yes. Be careful. No shell.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
Now mix everything well.
Should I use a spoon or a whisk?
A whisk. It makes the batter smooth.
Okay, here we go.
Nice job, Jake. You're good at this.
Thank you. It looks creamy.
That's how it should be. Now add some milk, half a cup.
Done. Wow, it looks like chocolate magic.
Yes, it does. Now let's pour it into the baking pan.
Should I grease the pan first?
Yes, use a little butter. That helps it not stick.
Okay, done.
Pour the batter in slowly.
Wow, it looks so smooth.
Perfect. Now set the oven to 180 degrees.
Done. How long do we bake it?
Around 30 minutes.
Great. While we wait, let's clean up the table.
Yes, good idea. A clean kitchen makes baking fun.
I'll wash the bowl and spoons.
And I'll wipe the counter.
I like weekends in the kitchen.
Me too. It feels calm and happy.
Cooking or baking with you is always fun.
Aw, that's sweet. Thank you, Jake.
The cake is ready.
Careful, it's hot.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Let's let it cool for a few minutes.
It smells so good. I can't wait to taste it.
Be patient. We'll cut it soon.
Okay, I'll make some tea while waiting.
Great idea. Tea goes perfectly with cake.
Yes, I'll cut a piece.
It's soft and chocolatey.
Wow, it's really good. We did it.
Yes! Teamwork in the kitchen.
I think we're becoming real chefs.
Maybe we should open a bakery.
Nora and Jake's kitchen. Sounds nice.
I love it. Maybe one day.
Until then, we'll keep cooking at home.
Yes, and keep learning new recipes.
What should we bake next weekend?
Maybe cookies or banana bread.
Yum! I can't wait.
Me too. Let's write it on our cooking list.
Done. Cookies next weekend.
Perfect. Now let's relax and enjoy our tea and cake.
Cheers to our sweet kitchen day.
Cheers!